Hello everyone. Welcome back to Grade 5 CAP Sala e-learning. The lesson today is I'm going to talk about capacity problem. This is the continued lesson of the lesson that I sent you on Tuesday. Now, let's start it. Okay, for the word problems, you need to read the question carefully before you start. And after reading, I would like you to underline the keywords. Okay, for the first activity, I will help you read. A bottle is filled with oil. After using 1 liter 200 milliliters, there was 1 liter 300 milliliters left. What is the capacity of the bottle? So, keywords. Using 1 liter 200 milliliters, and we have 1 liter 300 milliliters left. Question: what is the capacity of the bottle? Now, I want you to pause this video and work it out. When you finish, you can see the answer. Off you go. Okay, have you done? So this is how we work it out. Okay, using 1 liter 200 milliliters, and we have 1 liter 300 milliliters left. So what is the capacity of the whole bottle? So in here, if you want to find the total capacity of the bottle, we get the uses 1 liter 200 milliliters as the amount of oil left, right? That means we take 1 liter 200 milliliters plus 1 liter 300 milliliters. And before we add, remember, convert the unit from liter and milliliters to liters. And we find the total. And the answer is 2,500 milliliters. And then we convert back to liters and milliliters. Okay, when you finish, check your work carefully. Now we move to the next one. Activity 2. Tony filled 3 containers with a total of 6 liters 800 milliliters of juice as the table below. Find the capacity of the container C. Now, underline the keywords. Remember. Alright, how many containers do we have in total? 3. And the total capacities is 6 liters 800 milliliters. And the capacity of container A is given 2 liters 150 milliliters. And the capacity of container B is also given. Question: find the capacity of container C. Alright, now pause this video and write the answers down on your piece of paper. Off you go. Alright, have you got the answer? Okay, this is the way we do it. So we have the capacity of 3 containers. We have the capacity of container A and B. So first, we find the total capacity of container A and container B. And then we take the capacity of 3 containers minus 2 capacity of A and B. And the answer is 1 liters 170 milliliters. And okay, this is another way. You can take the total capacity of 3 containers, subtract 1 by 1 container, we minus container A, we get the answer. And we take the answer minus the capacity of container B, and then we can get the capacity of container C. Okay, if you get the correct answer. Great job, guys. Now, next one. Number 3. The capacity of a can is 7 liters. The capacity of the water tank is 56 liters. How many cans are needed to fill the water tank completely? Alright, first, underline the keywords. Capacity of a can, this one, 7 liters. Capacity of water tank, 56 liters, this one. Question, how many cans, this one, are needed to fill the water tank completely? So now, pause this video and work it out. Okay? And then you can see the answer. Okay, answer. We're going to use the division. To find the number of cans are needed to fill in the water tank, we take the capacity of the water tank and we divide it by the capacity of one can, that is 7. So we take 56 divided by 7 equal 8. The answer is 8 cans are needed. Alright. Next one. Okay, activity number 4. The capacity of a ladle is 6 times the capacity of the spoon. If the capacity of the spoon is 9 milliliters, what is the capacity of the ladle? Now, first, underline the keywords. The capacity of a ladle, 6 times capacity of a spoon. So, if the capacity of the spoon is 9 milliliters, so what is the capacity of the ladle? Now, pause this video and work it out. Alright, the answer is 6 times 9 equal 54 milliliters. So, in this one, we use multiplication. Now, next one. Activity number 5. The capacity of 3 jugs are given below. What is the total capacity of 3 jugs in liters? Alright, keywords. Capacity of 3 jugs, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now, keywords, the total capacity of 3 jugs. So when you, after reading right here, we already know that we need to use the addition, right? Because we have the word total. We just simply add them all together. But before we add, look at the unit carefully. Do they have the same unit? If they don't have the same unit, we need to convert them as to the same unit. And we look at the question carefully. In liters. So we need to convert from milliliters to liters. So we need to convert this one and this one before we add. Okay? And here it is. We convert them to the decimal. And then when they have all the same unit, we just simply find the total by using addition. And the answer is 4.680 liters. So in this activity, you need to remember that if we see they have the different unit, we need to convert them to the same unit before we use the calculation. And we need to read the question carefully. Alright, next one. Practice. Now, for the rest part of the video, I'm going to show you some more activities So I would like you to get the pencil and the notebook, write down the answer, and the key will be shown. All right, let's start. So we finished the lesson today about a capacity problem. I hope that you can learn something from the video. And if you have any question, please ask me on Class Dojo. I will try to reply you as soon as possible. And I will see you to the next video. Goodbye, guys.